gospel at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is UO from UO Media TV. I greet you all from wherever you are watching me from according to your time, okay? If this is your first time of seeing my video or coming across my YouTube channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Kindly press the red button and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to appreciate you, okay? And also alongside, don't forget to put on the notification bell in case anytime I uploaded a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. For my returning subscribers, oh my god, I say a big thanks to you all. I really appreciate you guys for always coming to support me, to watch my video. I really appreciate. May God bless you all. So in this particular video, as you can see, is about this wig. If you want to know or see how I finish everything, try to watch the full video from the beginning to the end, okay? You will enjoy it as well. So for this hair, for this wig, for this rasta, I used 3 pack of attachment to finish everything, and it really take me time to finish all. I don't know why, but the outcome is beautiful and I love it. So try to watch the full video, and I hope you will like it as well as me, because me, I love it. I love rasta, okay? So watch the video and have fun with it, and don't forget to like and share the video as well. May God bless you all for coming. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. We control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's crazy. Control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. No relation. We got no relation. No relation. It's crazy. And it goes like the night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's crazy. Night has come, it's cold and losing my control. darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's crazy.